seen. You are lonely as a child. This